Okay, hi everyone, and hi to our lecturer, Madam Dia. So today we are going to discuss our topic, which is human right. The theme is human right, and the focus is about the banning of smoking in atheist is violating the right of people to smoke. The ban can be seen as a form of mistreatment on people's right and freedom. So we're gonna share our own opinion and view. So first of all, we want to introduce ourselves. My name is Hayatul Akmal binti Abi Jalil, and my matric number is 199241.
Hi, I'm Kanako Matsunaga from Japan. I forget my metric number.
I am Najwa Shahina, 199277.
My name is Nur Shamimi Najiha, 199337.
And my name is Jeevan Vittilingam, and my metric number is 197188.
Okay, so we already introduced ourselves. So
We're gonna get into the discussion.
yeah. So shall we start?
Sure.
Okay. First of all, let us see the focus. It is about banning of the smoking. So the smoking ban at all food establishment in Malaysia, including those outdoor, has started on 1st January of 2019. So I guess this is the first time that our government reached this level of concern about this smoking issue. So this is the line with the Control of Tobacco Product Regulation Amendment 2018 to protect the public from exposure to cigarette smoke, said the Ministry of Health Director General of Health Nur Hisham Abdullah. So regarding to this smoking ban issue, some people are disagree, and we clearly know that people who are not agree with this are totally come from the smoking group people. So they claim that with this banning, it is actually seize their freedom and human right as a resident in this country. So for me, as I see it, I think it is the good regulation and the best new rule for our country, because before this we have heard that there is so many disease come from the smoking.
Yes.
So
Like heart disease.
yeah.
Heart
So
attack, so on.
in my opinion, I think after the government put this rule, this new rule into our country, and I guess this the good opportunity for us to prevent our kids, our family, and our friends from any disease that come from smoking. What about you guys?
Okay.
I agree with you. And also, in my opinion, I am totally support with the smoking banning in trees because of a few reasons. And it is not a form of mistreatment on people right and freedom at all. I'm telling this because the government efforts to ban smoking is to provide a space and healthy environment to other people, especially to the customer at the restaurant, at food place, so that they can eat their food in comfortable situations. And this is also to prevent the pregnant women, kids, and the babies from the smoke. I think so. It's helped the smokers to have civic consciousness to respect the rights of non-smokers.
I
What
agree.
about you, Kanako?
And I also disagree with this statement. I have that substances containing cigarettes are so bad to our health, not only for smokers but also for non-smokers. So if there are non-smokers, smokers should not smoke. Yeah.
Kanako, what about Japan? Japan already established the rules.
In Japanese militaries, the area divided two. The one is for smokers and the other is for non-smokers. And there is a door or partition room. So if people want to smoke, people go to for smokers. And
They
so,
provide place
Yeah,
for
yeah.
them to smoke.
yeah. How about Malaysia? No?
In Malaysia,
There is a rules. has been implemented from the 1st January of 2019 that says that people are not allowed to smoke in the
Public areas.
eatery places or food premises 3 meters away.
But they did not provide the place yet.
Yeah. We haven't
Actually, we have some places which is hospital and arena to not smoke actually, but these rules are new to the because eatery places are very common among Malaysians.
So
So, what do you think about that?
oh, okay. From my view, I think this ban of smoking can be seen as form of mistreatment on people's right. I'm not disagreeing with this because I think people's right is everyone have right. Everyone have right to breathe the clean air and fresh air. So everyone have their right. So not only we think about the smokers' right.
Yes,
So
I agree.
So, I think it's not a big deal for the smokers to smoke outside the restaurant. So they can go smoke outside the restaurant. Not only they are only prohibited to smoke inside the eateries, not the entire areas. So
Like Jeevan said right now, just
Yeah.
now that it's 3 meter away, right?
Yeah.
From the premise.
Okay. On my point of view, banning the smoking around the eatery places is definitely violate the rights of people to smoke. I heard someone says that people who will against me is definitely a smoker, ban or smoker. I would like to say that not all food premises are enforced should be enforced by this law because in Malaysia there is 22.8% population are smokers, so that is a quite large population which will be among 5 million people, which will be adult and they will be eating in the food premises, and banning the smokers will be causing some serious inconvenience among them. And so, as we all can see in all the food premises, the smokers commonly will be sitting outside and the non-smokers, ladies or kids, will be sitting inside. And I think so that smoking outdoor from the food premises will not be affecting the kids or the women. Air also will not be so polluted with the smokes, I think so. And I also think that if the country implement this kind of law in the food premises, people will less go to the restaurant. This will will affect the economical unknowingly. And other than that, I also think so that people who are smoking at the food premises are the one who want to avoid themselves from smoking inside of their house. If the smoking has been banned from the food premises also, they will have no chance to smoke outside, as most of the places has been banned from smoking. They will smoke inside their house, and the child who's seeing their father smoking will be took up with the same habit.
Yes.
I think so.
But I think by hook or by crook you have to follow the rule actually, because our government already state the rule that if you guys want to smoke,
Yeah.
you need to pay for the fine, right? It's just like
It's
3,000, 5,000, 5,000 up to 10,000 if I'm not
Okay.
mistaken.
Yeah.
So if you want to
Smoke at
are you willing to just pay for the fine?
I'm not just saying that I want to be fined. I'm just saying that it is violating the human rights to smoke.
Okay.
Yeah. It will cause some serious inconvenience among the smokers. They are also citizens of this Malaysia, and you ban them from smoking, doing something they want to do, will be violating
but
their
I
rights.
think it's only on the restaurant, not on the entire area. So
I see most of the places is banned from the smoking, just like the schools, just like the hospitals, now the food premises. Yeah, most of the places, just like the arena, we couldn't smoke over there. Yeah, most of the places has been banned. We have no choice, and we will smoke at their house, and our family members will be affected by the passive smokers.
I think toilet is the best choice to the smokers.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
kind of smelly will affect our it will be cause inconvenience among us.
But majority of our people is non-smokers, right? So
Yeah.
we should follow the majority. So the minority should follow the
But
majority.
I think the minority is quite loud also for their freedom and violence.
Yeah, because the minority is some serious of what contributors to the economic. You know what I'm saying? Because all the smokers are adults and they are working and they're paying their taxes and they contributing to the economic, and you causing them inconvenience means you are disrespecting them as a citizen of this nation. What do you think of that?
Yeah, it is true that there are a lot of smokers. So maybe we should improve system, not
Yeah.
only as a law, but so in like Japan, we should
Provide
Yeah.
provide place. Yeah.
Or maybe our government is going to that
That mission
that mission
to provide place.
to provide. But first, they just come out with the rule not to smoke at the eateries.
Yeah, as you said, maybe the restaurant should be banned their smoking according to the will of their owners. Maybe the non-smokers can go to other different places to eat, and the smokers can be go to other places to eat. It should not be banned throughoutly. I think so.
What about you, Mimi?
I think that I was thinking that smoking in public place will affect their relationship. For example, when some of the people, some of the friends, they went out for dinner, for eating dinner or lunch, then some of them will smoke, and I think it will come out with unpleasant situation, like for the non-smoker to smell the smokes. So is it convenient? Meaning that is it okay for the non-smokers to smell the smoke
Yeah,
and will not affect the relationship
I
between you guys?
No, I think so. My friends are smoking from standard 6, I think so, and I'm friends with them, and I'm going out with them. I can understand their feelings, how they smoke, and they can understand our feeling that the smoke couldn't affect
You
ourselves.
can tolerate with the smoke.
Yeah, I can seriously tolerate.
Is it
the smoke.
okay when you keep on?
It's depend on the how kind of friends are you having.
Okay.
If they can understand me,
But
things will be going quite
I
good. I
will
think so. It
choose-
won't affect the relationship between our friends. Yeah. Come on.
sorry. For me, I will choose when the restaurant have provide the place for non-smokers and smokers. I will choose this restaurant that have that
Sign.
type of
Separation.
the separation. So I think a restaurant in Malaysia should provide many place to the
To the smokers. Really?
Smokers, to the
To
non-smokers.
the non-smokers. To the non-smokers to eat. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I said just now. As Kanako said, our Malaysia is going to that mission, but first they come out
They
with
wanna-
the rule
yeah.
first.
Okay.
That's why.
Yeah.
But I think that's the best way as Japanese, Japan's
System,
country do separate the area.
So
for
if
the
you go to
non-smokers.
the shop,
Yeah.
you ask do you want smoke or
No,
not
no.
smoke? So if I say I don't like smoke, you can eat this area. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. I think our discussion needs to come to an end. So I'd like to conclude that all our points are really valid, and I
Everyone
think our
has their
country
own
needs to
opinion.
be more concerned, and
they need to improve the
improve the facilities. Yeah,
Yes.
seriously, we need to improve the facility of
Not
the food
only,
premises in order to separate the smokers and non-smokers, in order for them to be convenience to the both party. I think so.
This is another good
It will be
choice.
fair.
Yeah,
It will be fair
for
the
both
smokers and
parties.
So
I think we
That's
come
all.
out with the decision
Conclude.
already, right?
Yeah.
So that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Our
okay, thank you so
discussion.
much.
Thank you.
That's all our discussion for today. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
15.
Tekan soalan.
Tekan.